Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life, and I am going to review with you guys what I just picked up on the pre-Black Friday sale. So as a card holder, I was able to get 35% off of either in-store or online if I use my preferred card. So I got a few things. I was really good this time, you guys. I didn't get a lot, but we'll go ahead and just review the few pieces that I did pick up. So this one is the hot air balloon trip. It is a button charm that came out earlier this year, and you have two hot air balloons flying in the sky. You have a beautiful like sky horizon with like pink and blue, and then these white fluffy clouds. The outside is surrounded by CZs, and then you have the heart cutout details on the side of this button charm. The thing I love the absolute most about it is the back that says, "Live life in the clouds." I absolutely love that saying. And then it really was going to go really well with the Happily Ever After Minnie and Mickey Disney Parks charm that I had picked up on my recent trip to Disneyland. So I had to get it to pair them together. And then I was kind of thinking about what I wanted to do for my next milestone in the event that I get to 9,500 subscribers, which I'm hoping we do. We're just like 400 or something away from that. And I usually take my charms to Instagram to vote on what should be the next charm. But when I saw the back of this charm, I absolutely knew that this needed to be the last dangle for that YouTube Goals bracelet. One, it has star CZs around, and if you guys don't know yet, I really love my stars. And then I love this galaxy in the background. Like that blue sparkly enamel is just gorgeous. But then on the back, it says, "Dream it, wish it, do it." And you guys, I have always been like a firm believer in following your dreams, and if you like wish it, you can do it. And I just think about like the Pandora community, and whoever knew I'd know so many people around the globe, and who knew I'd be, even preparing for having 9,500 subscribers on YouTube. It's crazy. So it really is a dream come true. And I got two of these, one for my YouTube Goals bracelet and one for a giveaway when we hit 9,500 subscribers. But I can't use it until we hit that milestone, you guys. I'm really strict on, how I'm using these charms for my Goals bracelet. So those will be put away safely until the time comes where we can celebrate 9,500. So if you're not already subscribed and you would like to help support me get there or getting there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's see how quickly we can get there. All right, and then there was a couple. This one was not available in my store, so I ordered it online. And while I was doing that, I had recently watched the Frozen movie with my daughter and my mom. We went to go watch Frozen 2, and I absolutely fell in love with that movie. And I knew I needed one of the new Frozen charms. This one was on my wish list from the beginning, but I also knew that we would have sales coming up, so I was good. And it's kind of an expensive charm. Like, this is $100 for this guy, and I wanted to wait for a sale. So got it at 35% off. It is so beautiful. You have Olaf, Anna, and Elsa on one side. You have Kristoff and Sven on the other. And then you have this like frosted over silver over the stone. And then the snowflake that you can see through that crystal. It is beautiful and gorgeous. I'm so excited that I have this charm. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. And then just one item. You guys, again, I was really behaving myself on this haul because I don't know, I'm trying not to spend so much money on charms and trying to, I don't know, just have more. I used to travel. Like, before I was a charm collector, I would travel a lot, and that was before I was a mom. And then now it's kind of harder to travel, but now I'm like, let's save all of our money for traveling. So that is what we've been doing. Okay, so this is the bracelet that my store didn't have, and it is the star sliding bracelet. If you saw my video with when I was going over the catalog, I noticed this bracelet and I was kind of bummed that it was a sliding bracelet. This will be my first sliding silver one, so I don't want to like really knock it until I try it, but the leather sliding one wasn't my favorite. Like I didn't hate it, but it wasn't my favorite, if that makes sense. But I couldn't resist the star on here. And I love that it's like not a perfect star, right? I like that the angles are a little bit sharper, just to give it a little bit of a different look. And the CZs are on both sides. It does feel like this one's got like a really tight like pull, so that's good because my leather one's kind of loose. And then these little star dangles are just so cute. You love them. And that's it, you guys. That is everything that I got from this haul. So are you taking advantage of the Black Friday sales? If so, what are you getting? Are you going to wait to see, what else is coming? There should probably be like a free bracelet promo at some point in December. And then usually after Christmas, there's a lot of sales too. So I might be waiting for after Christmas if I'm going to get anything else, but this is what we have for now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're participating or what you liked best from my haul. And again, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It will help us get to the 9,500 a little bit faster. And other than that, we'd just love to have you here and talk charms and beads and jewelry and all the fun things. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you all next time.